Hello again traders, and today we are presenting second analysis which will be for the euro against the New Zealand dollar. And this is a very interesting price action from what can be seen, which we will discuss in just a moment. But before that, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to follow all the analysis, educational videos, as well as live trade examples that we do every single week. And keep in mind that information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. What is so interesting about this pair? Well, we have the descending channel and price has been rejecting the middle of the descending channel. So there were two rejections. While it was rejected, RCI has formed a bullish divergence and we can see that we're starting to move up. I have applied fibs to the corrective move up, the last correction to the upside, and as we can see, the 161.8 fibs has been acting as the support. If we go to the forward time frame, we can see that this level has been acting as the support, resistance, and then again support. So clean rejection on two occasions, and now we can see that it failed to break below. Quite to the opposite, what happened is that the price broke above 50 exponential moving average and found the support at this indicator. So this could be the beginning of the uptrend from what it seems. Another point is the break below the downtrend trend line. Yet again, could be the confirmation that the price heading north during this and next week. So back to the daily time frame, what we have in terms of the upside target or the resistances. The key supply demand area is located near 0.7668. This is because we have multiple rejections of this area previously. So we have one resistance, then support, support again, and here we had the support, and then resistance. At the same time, at this level, we had the break below 50 exponential and 200 simple moving averages. You can see there was the break below and then price rejected the 200 simple moving average. So this is a very, very important area, and potentially it will be a strong supply area in the future. Therefore, as long as we hold this low at 169.40ish, then we might expect further uptrend. The resistance also confirmed not only by the supply demand area, but also by the 61.8 fibs applied to the very same correction to the upside, and it also goes in line with the breakout point of the moving averages. And finally, it corresponds with the extended 200 simple moving average, because if it will start now declining slowly, this is where it's gonna meet the price. And based on this analysis, it might take approximately 2 weeks, because it's at the end of the month when the price is likely to test this resistance. Based on the current price, what can be expected is around 470 pips upside move for the euro New Zealand dollar. Obviously, only if this low will still be respected throughout the next week or two. So there is 2 weeks upside growth potential of 470 pips. Maybe it could be more, who knows, but at this stage, this is the key resistance to watch. So this is why it's so interesting. There are multiple confirmations that this could be in fact this correction, and I think it's about to start. Nonetheless, we will see, and tomorrow price action will show us if there are any sort of big moves. Just gonna go quickly through all the analysis we made previously. We did that already today, but yet we will do it very, very fast. Australian dollar, clearly long-term uptrend, maybe correction, maybe not. As I said, guys, we need to see what will be happening at this time, which is end of December. Pound dollar uptrend, long-term and medium-term uptrend. Pound Australian dollar, strong uptrend during the next 2 weeks as well. Pound Japanese yen, also an uptrend, maybe not strong, but still expecting pound to be strong. But we need to hold this support area. If price breaks below, it will get invalidated. Euro dollar, it's an uptrend. Expect the continuation of it, although maybe a correction. But the most likely scenario is that the trend will continue rising towards 126.50 during the next 2 weeks. Canadian Japanese yen also an uptrend. Consolidation can take place, but what I think, this is the Canadian dollar strength, and we will see more of it throughout this and next week. At the same time, we might retest this support before and if uptrend continues. Canadian Swiss franc, really like this one. Uptrend, expecting the price to move up by 100 or 200 or 250 pips to the upside. Australian versus the New Zealand, very strong uptrend to be expected also up until the end of the month. New Zealand versus dollar, well, here is not that clear, to be honest with you. I think there is a potential for this correction, but I don't like this rejection of the moving average. So the risk is that the price will continue rising. If this high will remain to be respected, then yes, we might be going for this correction. Nonetheless, it's a risky trade to hold for sellers from what it seems based on this moving average rejection. But if we get to break it, then the correction should take place. New Zealand Japanese yen, it's a valid analysis, very nice move to the downside we're seeing currently, so still expecting this correction to take place towards moving averages. New Zealand Canadian dollar, also an interesting one. We actually shared this with you today once the price was near 90.25. It's already starting to decline. There is not much to go yet. It's a 100 pip move that is expected. Very interesting also as well. And finally, today's we had last analysis, which is the euro New Zealand dollar, also suggesting that the New Zealand dollar weakness could be dominating across multiple currency pairs, pushing euro New Zealand to the upside. At the same time, euro could be strong as well, and this might result in a very strong corrective move up. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the euro New Zealand analysis, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to follow the next analysis, which will be coming tomorrow. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, just let us know down in the comments below and we will get back to you. Cheers, guys, and I wish you profits.